Hey guys, this is Ryan here. Just chiming in. Gonna do a quick analysis on uh, Quicken Loans, Rocket Companies stock. A lot of people are looking to invest if they didn't already get into this game. So I'm gonna do a quick analysis of it because I've been getting questions about it a lot. So I'll do this real quick. Video shouldn't be too long. If you have additional questions on stocks and investments, definitely feel free to reach out and let me know what you think. So, uh, got our support here, and this is on the 1 hour chart because the stock just opened. So, do 1 hour support, and this is our 1 hour resistance here. What we'll end up doing is going down to lower time frames to kind of see where things are. This here is also another level of support. Price came down and rejected off. And so we'll drop down to the 15-minute time frame here. See if we get any more insight. We have a couple other levels here, right? So we can take this out. We'll do a 15-minute support here. We had a large gap here, so watch for price to come back and close that gap. This would be a 15-minute. Create a new template. "15-minute support." We'll make this orange. Alright, we'll save this just as 15-minute support. Then that resistance level would be about right here. Alright, that's 15-minute resistance. Alright. And what we can see here, as we talked about in previous videos, utilizing the Fibonacci to look at the waves, right? So this is A to B, so first B boundary, pull back to C, and a push to pull out the Fibonacci here. It'll give us, right, A to B down to, it didn't quite make it to the red, so that blue line there, you see we got stalled and pushed up to here to the 127, 118 mark before we got a pullback. So the Fibonacci works. It definitely works. And so what we're looking at this level, what we can do is go back to, we'll delete this. Go back to our 1 hour, and we'll draw a fib here. So this fib on the 1 hour is similar to what we do in Forex on the daily time frame. So this is considered right now a long-term move. If we get down to the 15-minute, we can draw our trend line. Technically, this would be the trend line, so we did get a break in that. More of a pullback here, so definitely watch out for that. Look for price to push up. So if we draw our fib on this time frame, what we'll see is, right, so this is our A to B boundary. We got a pullback here to 38.2. So we're looking for price to come up to a first target here of 618. We'll mark this as a TP Take profit 1. So this 32.55 is our next target. Probably sometime next week we should get this push up. There's a possibility we could get a bounce off this 1 hour resistance and a pull back down here to the 15-minute resistance, maybe even to the entry of the IPO. But this 3255 is going to be our first target, with our long-term target back on the 1 day. So yeah, so that's our TP right there. We could get, depending on how momentum moves, we got a big gap there. Depending on how momentum moves, we could get a push up to this here of the 1618. That'll probably be more of a longer term opportunity. We'll put that as TP2. So that's long term, but in the short term, we're looking at 32.5 as our next target. So keep your eyes out on that. That's the breakdown. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. If there are other stocks that you want me to break down and analyze, let me know that, and I can definitely do an analysis for those as well. Let me know what questions you have, guys. Again, I'll have the link to the Facebook group in the chat. And like, subscribe, share. Appreciate your time.